Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today we'll do the question answers of chapter number 5, The 100 Dresses Part 1. The chapter The 100 Essays 1 is written by Also Esther. Yes, beta, textual questions we had already done. Today we'll do some extra questions. So the first one is, how did Peggy and Maddie try to amend their behavior towards Wanda? वांडा के साथ उनका जो बिहेवियर था वो उसको कैसे चेंज करना चाहती हैं. So Peggy and Maddie felt guilty for their behavior towards Wanda. Maddie felt very sad to know that Wanda and her family were leaving the town. Both of them wrote a friendly letter to Wanda telling her that she had won the drawing contest. Second is, why was Maddie sure that Peggy would win the dress designing contest? तो dress designing contest था, and in that contest girls were asked to paint to make 100 dresses, and Peggy was the best artist in the class. That's why Maddie was thinking that Peggy would surely win the contest. Third is, how did Peggy made fun of Wanda? Peggy Wanda का मजाक कैसे उड़ाती थी? Peggy would make fun of Wanda by waiting for her to come to school. She would most courteously ask her how many dresses you have in the closet. Moreover, she also used to ask that how many pair of shoes you have. What kind of girl was Wanda? Where did she usually sit in the class? कैसी लड़की थी? Wanda was a quiet girl who rarely laughed at in school. She didn't have any friend and always come to school and went home alone. She usually sat in the corner of the room where those boys used to sit who didn't get good marks. Next is, why did children make fun of Wanda? Children made fun of Wanda because she had a funny name, and also because she came to school wearing the same faded blue dress. उसका मजाक उड़ाया जाता था क्योंकि वो हमेशा एक ही ड्रेस में स्कूल आती थी. That dress was of blue color and moreover the color was also faded. But otherwise she claimed that she had 100 dresses, all of different designs, colors and a variety of cloths, silk and velvet. Next is, did Wanda have 100 dresses? Why did she say so and how did she prove that? No, she didn't have the actual 100 dresses. She had only the drawings of 100 dresses on paper. All had different designs and colors. She had lined them up in her closet. उसके पास एक्चुअल में 100 ड्रेसेस नहीं थी. उसने पेपर पे 100 ड्रेसेस डिज़ाइन करके रखी हुई थी अपने क्लोजेट में. And she proved herself right by submitting 100 dresses, 100 drawings of dresses, and when there was drawing and painting competition in the school. Why did Maddie write a note to Peggy and then tore it? Maddie wanted Peggy to stop teasing Wanda. She thought it was cruel. She could not dare to say all this verbally, so she wrote a note to Peggy. But then she pictured herself as a new target for Peggy and other girls, making fun of her for wearing hand-me-down clothes. Next is, who was Maddie? Maddie also belonged to a poor family, but she was a friend of Peggy. She wore old clothes which were given by others because her parents were not rich. They lived in a very simple house. Next is, what was the opinion of the judges about Wanda? Wanda had drawn 100 dresses which were all different and all beautiful. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawings was worthy of winning the prize, and all the drawings were so beautifully painted that all were prize winners. So she was declared the winner of the gold medal. Next is, how can you say that Peggy was a soft girl? Peggy was not really cruel. She protected smaller children from bullies. If she saw an animal mistreated, she would cry for hours. Next is Maddie wrote a note for Peggy, but she tore it away. Why? Maddie wanted that Peggy should stop teasing and making fun of Wanda, so she wrote a note to Peggy. But she lacked the courage to give that note to Peggy, fearing lest she should lose Peggy's friendship. So she tore the note. Now there are long answer questions. First one is Wanda had no friends and nobody liked to talk to her. Do you think such an attitude of children towards Wanda is justified? Right to judge people on the basis of their social status, write your views. तो ये एक्चुअल में सही नहीं है. हम किसी को ये जो बिहेवियर था मैडी और पैगी का वांडा के लिए, दैट इज़ नॉट जस्टिफाइड. She didn't have any friend and always come to school and went home alone. Children made fun of her because she had a funny name and also because she came to school wearing the same faded blue dress always. Although she claimed that she had 100 dresses, this type of attitude is not justified. It is not at all right to judge the people on the basis of their social status. Social status is a different thing, students. Although Wanda didn't have the actual dresses, she had the drawings of the dresses on paper, all of different colors and designs. She proved herself by submitting 100 dresses in the drawing and painting competition. तो बेटे सोशल स्टेटस है जो, उससे आप ये जज नहीं कर सकते हो कि कोई कैसा है. ठीक है, कोई कैसा इंसान है उसके लिए बंदे के जो वैल्यूज़ हैं, ठीक है, जो कैरेक्टर है, जो एटीट्यूड है, दैट शुड बी गुड. Next is Maddie. Maddie loathed the business of asking Wanda about her dresses, but she found it difficult to stop Peggy to do so. What could she not? Why could she not stop Peggy? Wanda, Maddie जो है वो वांडा के साथ ऐसा नहीं करना चाहती थी और वो पैगी को भी रोकना चाहती थी, लेकिन वो पैगी को नहीं रोक सकी. वॉज शी अफ्रेड ऑफ लूजिंग द फ्रेंडशिप? क्या वो पैगी की दोस्ती छूट जाने का डर था? सो मैडी डिडंट अप्रूव ऑफ पैडीज टीजिंग वांडा बिकॉज शी वॉज एज पुअर एज वांडा, बट शी कुडंट स्टॉप पैगी as she had no courage to do so. And moreover we can say that yes, there could be the fear of losing the friendship with पैगी. उसके मन में हो सकता है ये फियर कि कहीं मेरी फ्रेंडशिप उससे टूट ही ना जाए. Secondly, she thought that once the students stopped teasing Wanda, they might ask her similar questions. अब लेवल वांडा का और मैडी का सेम था, तो तो मैडी ये सोचती थी कि अगर मेरे को ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछने वांडा को ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछने छोड़ देंगे. So what does this story tell us about Wanda? Wanda was a Polish girl. Her family had immigrated to America. She studied in school with other American students. She belonged to a very poor family. Daily she came to school in a faded blue dress. It was clean but not properly ironed. She used to sit in the corner of the room 13 in the last row. This was the corner where the rough boys who didn't make good marks sat. Wanda didn't sit there because she was rough and noisy. On the contrary, she was very quiet. But she came on foot from Boggins Heights area and brought a lot of dirt with her shoes. She was a reserved girl and didn't speak much in the class. No one had ever heard her laugh. So that's all with the extra question answers of the chapter. Time to time I will be sending you other questions also. So that's all for today. Till then, bye.